All right, this video shows how easy it is to make homemade yogurt. In this case, it's Reuteri yogurt, and I'm taking 2 tablespoons of an existing batch, or you can take the tablets, 10 tablets of if you're making a new batch, but 2 tablespoons of existing yogurt, 2 tablespoons of a prebiotic starch, such as inulin powder, a little bit of half and half. You mix it in a bowl, add the rest of your half and half, a total of 1 quart. Put it in a sanitized containers. And then you put those containers in 100-degree water for 36 hours. All right, got a little bit of half and half mixed in with the other ingredients. Now you just add the rest of the half and half, total of 1 quart. Mix that all around. And then split it up between. All right, got the concoction evenly spread out between 2 mason jars in here. This thing runs a little off, so 98.5 is actually 100 degrees. 100 degrees for 36 hours. And this is the finished product. Look at that, look how creamy that is. Looks like ice cream. Ice cream, it's delicious. Kind of bitter, kind of tart. I eat it straight. My kids like to put it in with blueberries and crush up pecans. If you're making it from scratch for the first time, you're gonna need these tablets. You're gonna crush up 10 of them and mix them with a prebiotic starch such as inulin powder, or if you've made it before, you can just use 2 tablespoons from a previous batch mixed in with the inulin in half and half. So this particular strain is called, the formal name is called Lactobacillus reuteri, L. reuteri for short. And it has a variety of benefits. It's probably the most popular yogurt. The one thing that it does is improve empathy. It's crazy what it does. It makes you less irritated by people. You understand people better, less anxious around people. So improving empathy is a huge benefit. The other benefits involve a lot of stuff about your skin. It's also known as the anti-aging strain. Your skin becomes thicker, less wrinkles, more moisture, also improves joint health through cartilage growth, restores muscle strength. You gain muscle easier. You still have to work out, but you can gain muscle easier. You actually might end up gaining weight. You sleep deeper, increased in healing time, increased libido, decrease in appetite. Your hunger's different. You're hungry, but it's more like a reminder to eat, not like that hangry feeling. You can see how it's certainly known as the anti-aging strain. And if mothers are eating this and breastfeeding their babies, your babies are less colicky, they sleep better, better brain development. So this is just one microbe. There are a variety of options. Tons of recipes in this phenomenal book, which everyone must read if you're thinking about making yogurt. Super Gut by William Davis. Dr. Davis is known originally for wheat belly many, many years ago. He's cutting edge, way ahead of the times. He's been talking about gut health and making your own yogurt for many years. The big reason he says to make yogurt instead of the commercial products are, one is in the commercial products, you don't know what's in the yogurt. You don't know the ingredients. Here, there's 3 ingredients. There's these, your prebiotic starch, and your half and half. Organic half and half, 3 ingredients. You don't know what's in the commercial stuff. The other benefit is the bacteria count is insignificant in the commercial stuff. You only get like 100 million bacteria count, which sounds like a lot, but it's really not. And it's because they only ferment for 4 hours and it doesn't get a chance to really grow and compound like it does when you do it for 36 hours. So the way these bacteria counts grow is it doubles every 3 hours. So if you do it for 36 hours, it's doubling 12 times. And if you do the math, you end up with several 100 billion counts of bacteria per half cup serving. So it'd be like 250 billion count, versus the commercial stuff where you don't even know the ingredients and you're not getting the full effects. So again, check out this book. Let me know of any questions. Turned out phenomenal, very easy process. Good luck.